Stream Store Cloud is essentially a software that helps you design your own Amazon online store creatively and innovatively, helping your business reap the profits you want. It is an entire solution that comes with advanced tools and features that help you build a customized Amazon store from scratch. This includes creating effective content, use powerful graphics and visuals, direct traffic to your landing page, get users to engage with your products, and much more. Stream Store Cloud. Why you need an Amazon store. Whether you're a complete newbie or a seasoned pro marketer, Amazon is simply too profitable to be ignored. Immense selection of products offers an array of products under different niches. You can find those categories of products of your preference to earn from them. Simple to understand and use. The Amazon affiliate network is very simple to understand, and it's easy to navigate around the dashboard. You earn at all times. Whether you're not online, you keep earning when people make purchases. Make more profit by selling more. You don't earn just from the item you promote, but from every other item that particular shopper purchases. Stream Store Cloud. How to use. It is super easy to set up an online store on Amazon using the Cloud Stream Store software suite. When you hit the purchase button on the website, you will get a link to download the software license instantly. This gives you direct access to the Cloud Stream Store features. After that, it is smooth sailing. You need to keep following the steps mentioned one after the other, using the tools and resources according to your business objectives and build your unique online store. The best part is since the software is cloud-based, you need not install it on your phone or desktop from where you're creating the online store. You just need to be connected to the internet. Step 1. Pick an especially relevant niche either by keyword or by category to create one store or your own network. 30-day money-back guarantee. To sweeten the deal, we're also giving you a chance to try this software for 30 days at our risk. During this period, you can try all the features and see if what we claim to offer is true. If you have any issues with Stream Store during the 30-day period, just let us know. We'll immediately give you a refund. No questions asked, no complicated forms to fill, no problem at all. That being said, there's no risk to get your hands on this amazing software today. If you get started today, the worst case scenario is that you change your mind and ask for a refund. Step 2. With the Stream Store Cloud system, you can customize your money-spinning posts dynamically and share them on 6 top social media platforms. Step 3. Sit back and relax to see your PayPal accounts start filling.